Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla, Uba Kirman Shilla, Ubreru UMLA ka Clearat, Ulaong ba Omde ban Ayla di Karkhana, ba Penyang Bean, Namar na Lord Kijingma ki Babon, Kawan Raru ikajingdonong yakaplating ka ka Sarkar. Kito kikok factory, ba Biang kikot gisla, na kaliang ka Sarkar, kamla ban layin, Namar kilayat kat kum kikendon, kadba kito kilayat lad, onam siya da leleru. Ka Sarkar kanamla ban kang satya lada kiyo yaka NOC. Kumta ka siyang hakilang ba siyang daloy banekran sa nibha siya ban siya may karay ban ay NOC namar lada kiladap ban yo NOC namla ban kang yaki.
This from time to time I have been mentioning this that those uh, those who are illegal, whether it's a coke factories or mining or whatever illegalities is going on within our state, we don't encourage that, and we should not encourage, and this should not allow also, because through these illegalities going on, the government lose the revenue, and even the public also lose their lost their benefits. So that's why I would like to say that those coke factories, especially in East Jaintia Hills, as we have seen that allegation, they said that illegalities are there. I would like to say that those coke factories which has a proper paper and then following the norms of the environment norms, that we from the government side we cannot stop, because these people they have invested lots of money and then they are following the norms. But those who break the rules without following the norms, these are illegal factories, then they should not be entertained. That is what I personally feel, and then even the government also will go with that.
Residents from these districts are very disappointed with the MDA government, you being part of the coalition. They're not happy with how you've done justice to your work, or you haven't worked.
But I would like to say that whenever any industries installed near our residents, of course that pollution, it affect the livelihood of those residential nearby. So which people didn't like it, and nobody will like it also because of this illegalities, I mean to say, because of this pollution. So for this, I would like to say that if the government, as I've been just mentioned, the government cannot stop those who go along with the procedure as per norms. But if it really break the rules, then they should not be entertained. So for this, people might not like it or like it. We cannot say anything about this, because we cannot stop when somebody give a NOC, especially the NOC. After having a NOC, then only they can go a step ahead for applying the coke factories. So for that, I think the best, if they have a consultation within those local representative like the Rambak Shnong, the Dalois and all, then let them have a decision. How do they go about it? Whether to accept, how many number of coke factories should be accept. Since they give the NOCs, then they come and apply here. The government and the department, if they see the paperwork is correct, then they cannot stop it. So that exactly, I don't know what is the rule says on this, but from the Forest and Environment Department, they would know better regarding this. But being a local representative, I would urge the public, the people of East India, before we give NOC, we should have some kind of rules that how do we go about it. Otherwise, we might make a mistake giving so much NOCs, then at the end we cannot stop. And the government will have a decision on this. But of course, the Deputy Commissioner and the police of East India Hills, they should follow and trace and check those paperwork. Those who have a proper paperwork, then they might go ahead. And then even those who have a proper paper also, they should utilize their equipment like the filter and all, because some I've heard that somebody install the filter but not utilize it because it has some cost of it. So for this, I would urge all those factories, those who are running, if you have a paper also, please utilize the equipment which you install in your factories, so that we will not have any problem against you. It depends how to take it, but all we know is that we have seen that they got the NOCs, then the government go ahead, I mean especially the department concerned, they go ahead with this. Otherwise, if they don't have any NOCs, nobody can allow them. If the government wants to install also, government cannot bypass that. Factories, whether all of them are legal or illegal, I cannot say, because till now we don't know exactly who has a proper paper and who follow the norms. So for this, I cannot really say which are legal and which are not.